Kapod wantiere weche mag somo kod motenore kodgi. Roselyn Wandigi oyier kendo lemo ma jagoro mar riwruok mar jopuonj mar Kenya National Union of Teachers KNUT ka Tom Nyambwa bende oyier kendo kaka jakom mar KNUT yiero mane otimo odiochieng' nyoro. Felix Olo bende oyier kaka jakeno mar KNUT bade ma Migori. Jachung' ne jopuonj ma wakeini KNUT bade ma Imbo ma Kenya Masi Mudhoni mane ochopo yiero manyo bagi skul primar ma Nyamome sub county ma Suna West. Opuoyo jopuonj kuom timo yiero ma kwe kojiwo gi jotelogo manyoro oyier mondo mi gimed keto maino e kedo ne ratiro mag jopuonj.
Migori KNUT branch elected their executive secretary, branch treasurer unopposed. The other members of the steering had very stiff opposition. Therefore, today the teachers of Migori have spoken through the ballot and have elected the leaders that they believe in, the leaders that they have confidence in. We, as the Kenya National Union of Teachers, are very proud. The elections were very fair. They were credible.
We are very proud of the teaching fraternity because of what they have done. We want to request for those people who have lost. Today you have lost and tomorrow you may soldier and get an opportunity. Migori branch, what is important is the unity and unity of purpose.
As Kenya National Union of Teachers, the leadership, we are going to work with them. I know there are men and women who are capable to do the work, and we just say that we are going to make this Migori branch greater and greater again.